$4 million is a staggering amount of money for a hardware project on a crowdfunding site. But that is exactly what happened when a new player entered the remote management scene. It signals a massive shift in how we think about controlling our computers from afar. We are talking about the high-stakes world of hardware-level remote access, where the newcomer is currently challenging the reigning champion of the Homelab community. One is a sleek palm-sized metal box that costs about $70. The other is a professional-grade powerhouse that demands a much higher investment. The newcomer is designed for pure speed and simplicity. You plug it into your video and data ports, connect a network cable, and you are up and running in 60 seconds. There are no complicated software installs. There are no monthly fees to worry about. It delivers high-definition video at very high frame rates with barely any noticeable lag. It feels like you are sitting right in front of the machine, even if you are on the other side of the world. This is the ultimate tool for the person who just wants things to work without a headache. But there is a catch that has the privacy-focused crowd a bit nervous. This device relies on a cloud system for remote access, and right now, it requires a standard search engine account to sign in. For some, that is a small price for convenience. For others, it is a line they will not cross. That is where the veteran player takes the lead. The premium professional edition of the established brand is built for those who want total isolation and control. It costs significantly more, pushing toward the $300 mark, but the depth of features is incredible. It is powered by a high-performance compute module that allows for advanced networking tricks. You can actually chain up to 20 different servers together and manage them all from a single unit. This is not just a gadget. It is a piece of serious infrastructure. The latest updates have tripled the speed of loading virtual disk images over the network, which is a lifesaver when you are trying to reinstall an operating system at 2 in the morning. It even supports cellular backups, so if your home internet fails, you still have a way into your rack. These two devices have completely different personalities. One is your starter kit that gets the job done for a single machine with zero friction. The other is the long-term foundation for a massive server setup. If you value your privacy and need to manage an entire room of hardware, the high-end Veteran is worth every extra penny. But if you just need to fix your main computer while you are on vacation, the affordable newcomer is almost impossible to beat. It is a fascinating time to be a hardware enthusiast because the barrier to professional level control has never been lower. You just have to decide whether you want the simplicity of the cloud or the power of a self-hosted fortress. Both paths lead to the same result, which is the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can always get back into your system no matter where you are. That kind of control used to be reserved for giant data centers, but now it fits right in your pocket.